this chart. The first thing you see on this chart is preparation, then promotion, then purchase order, then procurement and production. This is a step-by-step export process. Then product labeling and packaging, pre-export documentation, port clearance, post-export documentation, presentation of document, post-import documentation and clearing at the destination, and payment. Sometimes payment can happen before good arrive, but most of the time, for a first-time shipper, most of the time the buyer wants to see the good before they pay. Can you see? Now, from pre-export to the end is automated. The real work is preparation, promotion, purchase order, and procurement. In fact, majorly preparation. Immediately I'm adequately prepared, I will know what to do to promote. I will know the option available. I will know the one I want to start with. I will know what I need to go and put in place. I will know what to do to promote. Immediately, I'm ready. Preparation. Now, when I promote well, I'll get purchase order. If I'm able to promote very well, I'll get purchase order. If I'm unable to promote very well, I will not get purchase order. Promotion is a readiness criteria. Promotion is a readiness criteria. If I'm not able to promote well, I will not get purchase order. If I'm going to promote, I will not. Now, if I get purchase order, that's signing the agreement, then I can now do procurement. Now, at the point of procurement, preparation will let me know the quality specification, the way I should package, the way I will have mastered that at the point of preparation. So I won't be like someone that exports cashew and then the quality is bad at destination because of the challenge of adequate preparation. Preparation will let me know where I will source it from. If I'm doing commodity, where I will get it from. If I'm doing finished good, who I can buy from. Preparation will let me know all that. So production. Then by then also I will know how to package. I will know if this product is temperature sensitive, like vegetable, like yam. What temperature am I supposed to use? I will know all that because one of the criteria in getting ready at the point of preparation is proficiency, skill, management. I should know how I should package it. Should I use a perforated carton? How should I package it? How should I label it? I've learned all that at the point of preparation. That's why I said, after that, I will know what my pre-export documentation is. I will know what I know what the port clearance, how to go about my port clearance working with my agent. I will know all that. And then I will know how to do my post-export document required by the buyer. Then I'll know if I'm going to present to my bank or send to the buyer directly, and do my post-import documentation and eventually payment. So what we're discussing today is the foundation. If you are able to get this right, you find out that at the end of the day, every other thing will be on autopilot because you not know, and immediately you know what to do. Getting buyer becomes easier. You can get 2, 3, 4 buyers in different countries. Then you can ship every time year round. Particularly if you are doing value-added manufactured goods. And if you are doing commodity, at least during the season,